working on it, putting in overtime, putting in overtime.
Bell peppers. Now,
The rice is over there. Show them the rice is over there.
The rice is right here, y'all.
what's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Renice, and as y'all can see, Shanice right there in the background. Just wave, girl. Girly pop. Just wave. You know what I'm saying, y'all? She gotta do something real quick, so you know what I'm saying? I'm stepping in, and I'm starting up this little vlog for us, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all, as y'all can see by the title down below, today, we are making some stuffed bell peppers. Now, I'm pretty sure majority of my family never had some stuffed bell peppers, and today I'm attempting it. So, you know what I'm saying, I gotta come good and I gotta come clean so that, you know what I'm saying, they happy about it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. You know what I'm saying, I'm gonna show y'all my ingredients. We got our bell peppers here, bell peppers, so that y'all can see them too. We got, I'm saying, 2 bell peppers, tomato sauce, tomato paste, ground beef. Then with the ground beef, we're gonna do half an onion, 2 pegs of garlic. We're gonna do some onion, garlic. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put these. Y'all gonna really see how I'm doing. This part gonna probably be like a quick voiceover until Shanice comes back. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. So I got my onion, 2 garlics, and then I'm gonna cut the green peppers. Y'all gonna see that. So just keep watching and stay tuned. I got the bell peppers on me right now. You know what I'm saying? It's time for the bell peppers. Garlic and onion cut up nice into this bowl. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead, rinse this off right. Y'all go ahead, rinse this off. Now what we about to do is we about to cut the top of it right here so that we could clean it out. Like this. Like this, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. But I gotta do it like this because I'm right-handed, so. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna basically go ahead and get that core out. Reach in there, twist it out. Look at this. That's how it's supposed to look, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of some of this white partish a little bit. Like so. Like so. Look at this, y'all. Clean and fresh, and my pot is boiling. It's gonna go in to get it a little bit soft for like 5 minutes. Get a little soft, gonna take it out, put it on a, you know what I'm saying, the plate. So I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm saying one thing down. Alright guys, so it was at this point where I was trying to tell you guys that the top that I'm cutting off, that's the part that I am I'm gonna chop that up for later. So don't throw those out, guys. If you guys are making this recipe, don't throw those out. You're gonna use that, and you're gonna also put it in your meat mixture. as y'all can see, the head that I showed y'all, the head of the bell peppers, right? I'll cut them up into this colorful small thing right here. And the reason, let me tell y'all, the reason why this is all colored and there's no green, we went to the store, there was no green, so I just decided to use the colored bell peppers. You can use anything that you want, but yeah, that's basically it, y'all. Just cut them up nicely because you're gonna put them into your thing.
Yeah.
And then I also, let me give y'all another disclaimer. Most people make bell pepper when they do stuff pepper. Some people don't use rice. Some people do use rice. When I had it, I had white rice with it. I'm not making white rice because my dad made rice and peas. So I'm thinking about just mixing the rice and peas in that and just hoping for the best, honestly.
Yeah, it'll probably taste good anyways. Ready?
Hey, yo.
Woof.
Really,
And
girl?
these are
That's all you wanted to say?
These are what the things look like. They look like little cups.
Shawty said ready. You ready for nothing. So, we got the ground beef in the pot.
Ground beef in the pot.
Maybe, I don't know if this was too much, but then again, it's 6 people. I don't know.
We'll find out.
So, yep. Go ahead and just let it cook out, y'all. I'm gonna just let it cook out. Then after, I'm gonna strain the oil that's coming from it. Then that's when I'm gonna go ahead and put my own.
That's it, you gonna do what?
Fire. Then that's when I'm gonna go ahead and put my onions and peppers in and my rice in.
Okay.
I think I might need, seeing how much this is, I think I might need a little bit more rice. The rice is over there. Show them the rice is over there.
The rice is right here, y'all.
No, where could it be?
Girl, bye. When you just stressed out.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. So guys, I have already drained this off. So I just have it on low heat, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and come, cameraman, can you come? Or camera woman. And I'm gonna just drop these in, y'all, for about 5 minutes. Drop them in. You just want them to get a little partially soft, not too soft. You can also put them in the oven. Come on, kids, get in there.
And what you told him what you're making? What are you making again? I forgot.
We making some stuffed bell peppers, y'all.
Stuffed bell peppers.
Saying, let it go ahead and stick to the bottom. Come on, get some water in you. I'm teaching y'all science too at the same time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and set 5 minutes. Can you set 5 minutes for me? Because this might not work for me. It might not work. I must really be mad.
Yeah, it's 4:35. Yeah.
Gotcha. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go on my seasonings. You got the
Slap your mama?
slap your mama, the OG. Really make you slap your mama. Go ahead with some slap your mama. Be generous. This is ground beef. You got some Tonys. I'm gonna go a little bit lighter on the Tonys. And the Tonys. You got some Mrs. Dash. Dash it without warning. You understand? Bit of oregano, just a small little bit. Shanice's favorite, some red crushed pepper. Just making sure to watch that part. And then we're gonna go ahead and
stir it in.
Stir that in. It's gonna need some more. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's not enough. It's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. Come on,
I'll
girl.
beat down.
Come on, girlie. You have one job.
That's how you know it's seasoned, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with some tomato paste.
Dang, I wanted to try it like without the tomato paste.
Then grab a piece that don't have a tomato paste on it.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
She adds a tomato paste, y'all.
And I'm gonna show y'all. I gotta do this really quick because I gotta pull these out. Come over here, y'all. If y'all don't have a can opener, this is how y'all gonna do it. You're gonna like this with your can. Oh, not like that, guys. Get it in there. Then you gonna turn. Use your knife. You need a good knife, y'all. You're gonna go around like this. Keep going around. Keep going around like this here.
Till you get the whole top off.
So you get the whole top off, and then you gonna put it in. You feel me? Alright, y'all. Go ahead and pour your sauce in there, like so.
Tomato sauce.
Put that to the side. Hold on, everybody, just hold their horses. We need to get these things out.
Hold.
You don't want them to cook out. Girl, what are you doing?
There you go. That's why you need
What you
thongs,
doing?
guys. That's why you need thongs.
We'll just put them right here. Just, you cooking them partially.
Bro. What? Oh, the water like you?
Yeah.
Dang.
Be careful, y'all. Gotta be
Ooh.
careful when you're doing this, alright? So Shanice, how's the meat coming out so far?
Yeah, it's really good. I ain't gonna lie. I went back for seconds.
Alright.
Alright, this is it, y'all.
That's what they look like. These gonna go in the oven. You know what I'm saying?
So make sure y'all stir that up. Alright, guys. So now she just added.
Yeah, guys, I forgot to saute these down. So I'm just doing it in this small pot. Why? Because it's the only pot I had. So I'm gonna just saute these down, let it get cooked a little bit before I add it in here.
Okay. Cool.
And then after we add that in here, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of cheese in there. We're gonna add the rice in there, the rice and peas. So, and then we're gonna chase it, make sure that the flavor is there. Put it in the oven. Put cheese on top. That's it. It's really simple, really easy. Make sure y'all don't forget to saute these. Saute them in the same pot as the ground beef before you start adding all your fixings in. Alright?
And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you really enjoyed this content, y'all. So, yeah.
And if you guys try it, let us know how it came out.
Yeah.
DM us. Interact with us on the media, y'all. Don't forget.
For real.
Don't forget.
This is my first time seeing stuffed bell peppers. I didn't even know this was a thing. Never heard of it. So where did you first hear about this bell pepper stuff?
I just remember that I watch cooking shows a lot and stuff like that. So
Oh, you saw somebody
see people
make it.
make them and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm very foodsy, you know, very into food, very into
Alright guys, so now she's just mixing the sauteed items in here. Getting some
bringing my
color.
heat back up. My rice and peas is about to go in here. First, I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese.
Okay, cool. Let's look close up, guys. Don't these look so unique and so cool?
At least we try. Love is always a losing game. In the end, I just wanna say, at least we try.
You think these are gonna come out good?
I hope so. If they don't come out good, I'm gonna feel really stupid.
Okay.
Just
Yo.
saying. Just saying. But yeah.
Okay. Cool, no one.
So I got my rice in here. I decided not to do a lot of rice, just in case, you know, I don't want it to be too overpowering.
seem like it's a lot, but
You're gonna go ahead and mix this in. You guys could use white rice if you'd like. I already explained why I'm not using white rice.
Yeah, it's kind of like Chipotle.
Yeah.
It's look good though.
Yep. And then I'm gonna
You
have
should add some more
Shanice.
cheese on there.
The cheese gonna go on top.
I know, I'm seeing.
Then I'm gonna have Shanice go ahead and
Try it.
give it a taste test so that we can know what it tastes like. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Some people like to add sour cream in there. We don't have no sour cream.
Oh, we don't? Aww. Aww.
Alright, you ready?
Well, let me get
on
out.
ready, on ready, on ready.
Ew.
That was
Let me get out. Let me get my little spoon.
Is that cringy? Yeah.
Yeah, that was cringy. Let me try it.
I'm gonna go ahead and try it too because
Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes like Chipotle.
try it. Please don't burn me. That's what I'm talking about. You don't need no more seasoning. Just that cheese. Good boy.
Hey, do.
You think it boy?
Yeah, boss.
I'm gonna just go ahead and let the rice kind of cook in there a little bit too.
Yeah, aren't you gonna add more cheese, or you said you're gonna put it on top?
I don't know. I was gonna put some cheese at the bottom of the peppers.
Oh, I know, but you want the melted cheese.
Yeah, boy. Go ahead, grab your bell pepper. Get your nice scoop in there. Go ahead and. Nice.
Zoe.
Go again. Go again. Put it in there.
Stuff your bell peppers.
Like so. Put it down. I put some tomato sauce on this, y'all. If y'all wondering.
Alright guys, so we finished and this is the final results.
It's got a little crisp on it, the cheese. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's looking good. This one is a soldier.
He's still turned over, you know. Trying to stand up.
That's okay.
Can't do it.
Yeah, that's it, y'all.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm very happy with how these came out. I guess the taste test will tell was these a fail or not. But the peppers is soft enough. You know what I'm saying? You don't want them hard. And yeah. I'm saying I'm very happy. I'm proud.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yo.
Yo.